Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about using the order of operations with exponents. So let's get started. We're given two problems and we're asked essentially to solve them, and I've already kind of started, not on purpose. So pretend this isn't here. We're going to be doing that part. And again, pretend this isn't here. We're going to be doing that part. But I did want you to see kind of where we're going. If you notice, here's 3 plus 2, and that didn't change. What first changed was the exponent. That's because the order of operations tells us to do parentheses first, then exponents. So right now we're in step 2, because after exponents we do multiplication, division, then last we do addition, subtraction. So this addition comes way after this exponent, and the multiplication actually comes after the exponent. So the first thing we actually want to do is we want to take 2 times 3 to the 4th. Well, that means we need to actually start with 3 to the 4th, and that's 81, because that's the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 9 times 9, which is 81. So that's how I got that. Now we still have 3 plus 2 times. So now we have 2 times 81, which is 162. And we still have the 3 plus. So just like normal, anything we haven't used, any operations, just carry down until we use them. And now we have 3 plus 162, which is 165. So there's our answer. Now, if there's multiple exponents, we actually do them at the same time. We still wait to do the division. We still wait to do the addition, the subtraction here. But we're going to go ahead and do the exponents at the same time. So 3 times 3 is the same as 27. And that's because we have 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And then 8 squared is 64. And then I'm just going to keep the operations as they are. And the reason this is 64, because 8 times 8 is equal to 64. Now, normally what people try to do is they try to take the 27 minus 64, then divide it, but we can't do that. We actually have to do the division first because of, again, the order of operations. We're done with our exponents, so now we go and look for multiplication, division. So this becomes negative 64 divided by 2. Well, that's negative 32, and then we bring down the 27. So now we have 27 minus 32. And we just got to remember, since the 32 is bigger, I'm keeping that negative sign. And then this becomes 32 minus 27, or 5. So negative 5 is my answer. And there's my final answer. So 3 to the 3rd minus 8 squared divided by 2 is equal to negative 5. And as we found in problem number 1, or A, 3 plus 2 times 3 to the 4th is 165. Now pause the video and copy down what is on your screen into your notebook. Now that you're back, anytime you have to rewatch the video for clarity or to remember something, you need to write what you picked up into your notes. Use arrows, circles, shapes, pictures, whatever else you need to, but add it to your notes to make them yours. Last, ladies and gentlemen, always remember that you're here to learn. And in learning, it's about understanding the process, never just about the answer. We'll see you tomorrow.